How to integrate eBay sales to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to import or add eBay sales to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here to your admin. So we can add eBay sales to our Shopify. First of all, make sure you have an account on eBay sales as well, and you will be able to list your items, get seller protection, and choose when to get paid with eBay sales. So on Shopify, what we can do is we can go to the apps right here and open up your Shopify app store. Right here, we're going to search for eBay and it will show me some of the apps available for eBay. So you can see right here, we have this one by eBay Inc., which is eBay Expand Your Brand Footprint on eBay's global marketplace. So this is going to be for a global, if you have a global business, a global store on Shopify, then you can select this one. Then we have some of the other apps available to actually import products directly from eBay sales. So what you can do is if you have an account on eBay selling, you can also create a listing here and it gives you the option to share on Shopify. So if you want to go through eBay, then you can actually add Shopify to your eBay. Or if you have Shopify, you can just go to the Shopify app store, select this one right here. It is not compatible with my store, but you will just select the global marketplace from here and connect your eBay selling, and you will be able to import products and you will be able to import the listing that you have on eBay selling to your Shopify store. I hope this works for you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.